Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update to the next iOS system. First of all, you gotta go to the settings bar, then you want to scroll down to the general section, which is essentially the third menu. You want to click on general section and the second option will be a software update. You want to click on software update and you will see that if you didn't actually opt in for automatic updates, you will have the recent version. And essentially, as you can see, I do have automatic updates. You can click on and off, as you can see over here. This is very important because sometimes the developers are aware of particular issues or flaws of the software that could harm your security or your passwords, so they will have to act and create a new upgrade of the system. So this is why it is always good to have automatic updates, so you will get notified, especially when you're late at night. You will get notified by Apple that while you're sleeping overnight, your software will be updated. So I advise you to simply do that. Click on the iOS updates, toggle this on, okay, and you will have iOS updates and iOS information for the recent updates as well. Again, automatically install iOS software updates when this iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, charging, or locked. Like I mentioned, this is all three checked when you actually go to sleep. Usually charge your phone overnight. Usually have your phone connected to the Wi-Fi and your phone will be locked. So all of these three are checked. So this is how you're gonna go about it. If you go back, you will see that this is where you actually going to have the window with a particular option to update either now or update tonight while you're sleeping, something that I mentioned earlier. If you guys have more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe and come back for more.